In that area, at the time that my grandfather lived there, there was a Orthodox Shul right around the corner. And as I say, he would occasionally even go to Shul during weekdays, but certainly on Shabbos. And when I think back about it, has anyone ever talked to you about an Orthodox Shul in those days? With the spitting and the yelling and the hollering, and the rabbi forever saying, "Soll sein still, soll sein still," and banging away. And everyone had their own prayer books, all in Hebrew, but you went at your own speed. So it was sheer chaos. But on the other hand, if that's all you were used to, that was it. That's what meant going to shul.